Hello and welcome to this, not Sunday. I actually missed it. I don't look at my calendar that often, so I missed it completely. And yeah, in any case, I wanted to tell you something. I have these tasks on my checklist, and I'll show you right here. So I'm not sure how to do this properly. Okay, so I did two of the covers already, so not fully three, so I cannot really mark it as complete, but I'm working on the third one. Sadly, the third one, we ran it and it didn't. One second. Okay, so yeah, I started with the Facebook automation tool and it's going forward. So I cannot really click these done, and I did a lot of things that was not on the list, which might, it does look weak because I did finish some books that was not on the list. I believe it was an amazing decision, but was it? If it means that I went away from my, let's say, main tasks, right, work-wise. So, anyways, that's something. I started also the book of the autobiography of a yogi. I saw that my book list was getting too long, so I actually boiled it down to exactly the type of books I do want to read, which are just autobiographies, and at the same time, just 10. I want to just read these 10, and then I want to basically like minimize my reading to the point of like really crucial first principles kind of reading, you know, very close to science and skills, not just some redigested different books. Like let's say Stoicism, I'm just gonna read Marcus Aurelius, which I think is the core of everything, right? And after that, there's all these interpretations. Anyways, trying to go to the source code, understanding things better, and I love that. That feels so good to me. In any case, let's see. I also did format the 3 books that I'm gonna release, so that's done. So it's very nice. I did hire, so I did test to hire like, I don't know, 10 to 20 people, and I just didn't find someone who is doing a good job for a $10 test task. And I didn't even know, that's my problem. I didn't even know what is a good job. All I could tell you is they were, here you can see me better, they were just not, none of them really stood out to me, if we say it like that. Some of them did like a better formatting, you know, some of them provided some links, but then later I go and check those links, and those links had nothing to do with the article itself, which means the person didn't check. It was probably AI, asking AI to give links. So yeah, the sources were off. The It just felt like they're just gonna do exactly as I tell them, and that's not. I kind of do need someone who go into the niche and actually get the new information. Anyways, one of the best things that I did this week is just record the whole process, and throughout it's actually giving me some urgency to do things faster, which is super cool, because I'm like, oh, this freelancer is not going to watch 3 hours of me doing something. I did finish a book for our audiobook again, which is not on the list, so I'm not sure what to do with that. Should I put the things that I didn't plan on the list? That feels like cheating. Instead, I believe it should be adding them at this time and also checking them off at this time, next time I make the video, so that everything is on, you know, on record. Yeah. In any case, so that's that. Now, let's see. I don't remember my. questions. What did I achieve last week? Okay, so there are a few cool things that I did. I actually created my first program, which I gave to my cookbook designer, a cookbook writer, and she generated all the recipes, and the recipes look pretty beautiful. Okay, so that's a big win. I think that was a big win. Again, not on the list, but I just felt this urge, this very inner, and this is dangerous. But I can tell you, yeah, it's very hard for me to stay on track when I feel like something is higher leverage. And now I know how to create these programs. I also continued creating the Facebook ads automation. Yeah, I'm gonna keep doing that now and finish it and have everything automated step by step. Where did I spend my time that wasn't useful? You know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go to my daily logs and see what I've done and what I haven't done. Okay, and give you a quick feedback. So let's see. I read Yogi, the book that Steve Jobs said. I messaged people on Fiverr to get them prepared to take the next books and make the videos. I updated the app for the editor to make some images for our next A+ content. Yeah, I also finished another book which was about psychology, and it was called My Secret Garden. I made the musics on those, and the musics really helped me condense the knowledge, so that's good. I felt envious that my friend has more opportunities with the opposite gender, so that's not literally work. Yeah, I think I need to make an SOP for my own Sunday accountability. But also, I can tell you what I had last week. Let's see, last month. So last month's results were not too bad. I think from the new launches, right? Let's see if I can show something here. 1 second, I'm just gonna take a screenshot. I'm gonna take a screenshot here, blur things out. Alright, I'm gonna show it to you now. There you go. So this is what's happening here, and I had basically launched 2 new books, which you would see here, and this one. So this one started actually turning profit, and as you can see, I spent around $5,300, but the net was minus 400, which means this is bringing some money back. This one we spent 3,000 and got back around 2, which means we're minus 1,000. And I think this is going over to profit this month. And then this other books, they're already making some profit. This was not a big profit, sadly. This was also launched not too long ago. So overall, I think we had around 3,200 and plus some Ingram Spark, and audiobooks probably somewhere around 4,700 or something profit for last month, right? So that was not bad. I think we are doing okay. There's so much more to do, but we're continuing, right? So that's what happened. And let's see what else I did last week. So I got Cloud Code. I tested that. Let's see, what else did I do here? 1 second. By the way, if you're a man and you haven't read this My Secret Garden, I seriously recommend. It's insane. You just gain so much insight into how women think, and yeah, that's something very important that I made some notes here. Yeah, also I outsourced cover conversions. She did it okay, and that saved me probably an hour. Now I have the SOP video I can send to the next designer. I definitely don't want to be doing cover conversions, that's for sure. Now, let's see what else. And I'm getting better with teaching the SOPs, because it's basically taking your implicit knowledge and putting it out there and doing that better and better every time. So I think I'm definitely getting better at that. Just giving feedback to people, the freelancers, and it's actually helping me grow in a very good way. Yeah. I created some mermaid diagrams, which was good for the programs. So I see that I was just working on that program. I had to look for some flats, and it took like 2-3 hours, maybe not the best time spent. Then did more polling, feedbacks to the designers, working on the covers basically. So these are all the things that I've done, and I took notes. Yeah, I published the books, and then I started getting reviews on them, asking for reviews. So that's what we have been able to do. Now, yeah, just formatted all the books. As I said before, it took a full day basically of formatting. In any case, everything is good now. So those are the things we did last week. I would say maybe the least productive, or the one that I wouldn't want to do and I feel like was a bit wasted time, is looking for Airbnbs. Yeah, so the biggest priority for this week is to actually get the books published, send them for the, what is it called? Get them reviewed by the Amazon shoppable freelancers, and launch them properly, because that's what's up. So that's going to be the number one priority, is to launch the books and start running ads basically. That is pretty much it. Now I do have a program which we are working on for TikTok. We're gonna release some good sales videos, program test, and also we have the, what is it called? So I want to test that program, because I have one book which is already printed and we want to sell this on TikTok. Then the other thing is launching the traditional, the 3 books, right? So there's so much on the plate right now. It's really confusing, but anyways, it's fun, right? It's fun. Okay, that's it for this week's Sunday accountability. I'm gonna do the other one in like 4 days, but yeah. I'm gonna launch the 2 books probably, because the cover of the 3rd one is gonna take a little more time, or I have to focus on doing the cover myself, right? So I would say launch 2 or 3 books before Easter. And this one, it means get reviews, Amazon shoppable, launch ads. Right, you cannot see my screen now, but we're gonna launch ads, get reviews, and then FB ads. Okay, so that's it pretty much. I think that is the biggest priority. Now if I have time, I definitely want to finish, I mean, these 2 things. This feels like the most important, this feels like the least important now, and this is also, I would say, this is the order of importance right now. Launch the 2 books, get the 3rd one's cover ready, and this week is week 10 if I'm not mistaken. Week number, oh, week 10. So we're gonna put week 10. Maybe that's a better format. Yeah, so we're gonna launch the books, automate the things, and go ahead and win. Anyways, it's a lot of things to do. I'm very, very confused to what to do and what not to do. But anyways, things are gonna be well. Let's get to work. Have a good day. Bye bye. Bye bye. My voice broke. All right.